Okay, let's talk about finding multiples. Multiples is just another word for all the numbers on a multiplication table, so we're using skip counting if we don't already know our facts. Our trick to remember which are multiples and not factors are drawing our big mountain. It looks like an M, which reminds us that this is finding multiples. And we name this mountain Mount Skip Count. That also reminds us that when we see the mountain, because it's an M for multiple, we are skip counting. That's multiples. So if we want to find the multiples of 4 and 6, we're looking for common multiples. So I'm going to start with my first number, and I'll start with maybe 5 multiples. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, or if you don't know your facts yet, you're just skip counting. 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. Then I'll go over to my 6's, and I'll do the same thing, and I'm just writing out the 6 tables as I go along. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so I've done 5 multiples on both sides, and I haven't found a common multiple yet. So I'm going to go back to my 4's and count 4 more on, and I get 24. And now I see a common multiple. And as soon as we find our common multiple, we can stop. We don't want to climb up this mountain forever and ever and ever. As soon as we find one, we want to stop because we are looking for the least common multiple. And in this case, the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 24. Sometimes on a test, they might ask you to find all the common multiples. In that case, you would need to continue climbing up your mountain to find all of the available choices. Let's try another example. Let's say we want to find common multiples of 3 and 5. Now our 5's are very easy. I'm going to start with my 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I know my 5's. 5's or 0's, so I know 15 is going to be on both sides. So the least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15.